Two-watch straps to wearing styles, smartwatches for women men adopts a larger screen design and come with two-watch bands of different colors. Receive, dial, and message notifications can be displayed directly on screen. Smartwatch for Android phones contains many dials readily available to choose from along. You can also DIY watch faces with your own photos. Smartwatch for iPhone compatible. Fitness watches for men, women, and 112 sport mode. Sports watch accurate track step, distance, calorie. Digital watch men, women support 112 sport mode, running, riding, badminton, hiking, etc. to give you more detailed insight into whole day activity. Step tracker watch for women men is IPX8 waterproof. You can wear it during outdoor activities, rainy day. Washing hand. Note, this waterproof watch can obtain GPS positioning through your mobile phone and clearly upload your movement path. Smartwatch with text and call. iOS Android smartwatches for men, women is equipped with a clear speaker. Pedometer watch can directly use women's men's watch to answer, make calls, read messages, play music, store contacts. You can get notifications of calls, SMS and SNS messages, WhatsApp, text, Facebook, etc. Fitness tracker watch for men, women can support most Android and iOS phone. Android 5.0 and above, iOS 9.0 and above, such as compatible with iPhone. Smartwatch with heart rate monitor watch. Smartwatches for women men use advanced sport optical sensors, allowing running watches to collect health data more accurately, which can monitor heart rate, blood oxygen, SpO2, helping you better understand your health and making a reasonable adjustment to your lifestyle. iOS Android smartwatch can monitor your sleep status, deep sleep, shallow sleep, awakening, and provide a comprehensive sleep quality analysis to help become healthier.